Hey guys, so yesterday you edited that oviparous writing, making sure you had capital letters, spaces, punctuation, and some of those sight words were spelled correctly. Today, you're going to grab this piece of paper and you're going to be doing your final draft. Now remember, you're not writing a brand new story. You're rewriting using your very best handwriting and making any changes that you needed to make, making sure you have those awesome spaces in there, nice, neat handwriting, and those capital letters and punctuation. When you are done writing, up here you are going to be drawing a picture of your oviparous animal. Make sure to add lots of detail to that picture. Remember, we want to include maybe the habitat of the animal. We want to include what it looks like. Make sure you're adding lots of detail, and it is an amazing picture. When you are done, snap a picture and send it to Mrs. Hagan and I. Bye.